My name is Joshua and I'm from the customer help team at SiteApp Pro, and in this video we'll be running you through everything you need to know to get your subcontractor portal up and running. In this list you'll see all of the sites that have been assigned to your subcontracting company. It's important that if you need to, you click the icon, go to resources and upload any different documents that need to be applied to this specific site. You can also use the sites page to view what hazards are currently live on that site by using the digital hazard board. Lastly, if there are any documents that you need to submit to the company you're contracting to, you can use the resources page. Just click the orange plus icon and submit the document, and this will then go through an approval process. If the document has been rejected by the company, you'll see it light up in red, in which case you can click the pencil icon against the document, you can view the note that they added for additional context as to what needs to be amended, and then click Replace File to submit a new document.